say bye-bye to your phone dying when you're out and about. Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, and I produce all kinds of tech videos every week showing you how to use tech to make your life easier. Now, if you're new to my channel, help a tech brother out. Hit that doggone subscribe button down below. I'm trying to get to my first 1,000 subscribers. So, in this video, I am going to show you the best power bank for under $20. This thing will charge your phone up to 2 times before needing to recharge itself. So, we're going to look at the iniu B1 B6 portable power bank. Why? Because ain't nobody got time for a dead battery in this day and age. So let's check it out.
You're strong.
So what's inside the box? First of all, your power bank, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a mesh carrying case, and one user manual. Its dimensions are 5.3 inches long, 2.8 inches wide, 0.6 inches thick. It weighs 7.73 ounces, about the size and weight of an iPhone 12 mini. It feels very well built when you are handling it, and it has a nice matte black finish on the front and an LED screen with the power percentage as well as logos. On the top, you have 2 USB-A type outputs and 1 USB-C type input for charging, as well as 1 LED light that also doubles as a flashlight. Now, on the bottom, you have a slide out stand to hold your phone while charging. The main features are it's lightweight, portable, it has a smart LED display, and a built-in flashlight with a built-in stand. Now, the power bank itself contains a 10.5 milliamp battery, and you can get 2 charges from 0 to 100%. The USB-C port charges at 18 watts fast charge, and the 2 standard USB-A ports have a quick charge. So, how do you use it? When it's charged, the screen will display 100% and it's ready to go. Now, you just plug in your device and it will start charging right away. To charge it, you simply plug it into a power bank adapter that you have lying around the house, plug it in and let it charge up. When it hits 100%, then it'll show on the screen itself. The power button on it has a ton of uses. First of all, it's located on the side and is used to see how much charge you have left on the device and to operate the flashlight. You press it once and the screen will light up for 20 seconds. It lets you see how much charge there's left on the battery. Now, while charging the power bank itself on your phone, the screen will stay on. Now, if you double press, the flashlight will turn on, and you do the same, double press to turn it off. The phone stand, you just simply pull it out from the bottom, and then you can place your phone in it in the landscape mode. One thing to note is that if you are charging multiple devices simultaneously, it will not fast charge. My conclusion: if you're looking for a great portable power bank to charge your devices while you're out and about, you should check out this iniu B1B6 power bank because it is small, built extremely well, comes with a nice carrying pouch, it has a convenient LCD screen, and even a flashlight and a phone stand built in to boot. It also comes at a great price. Now, I would recommend this power bank to anyone, especially women, because it's so small and lightweight. You can easily put it in your purse. Now, I got mine on Amazon for about $20. A link will be in the description below. So wait a minute. Now, if you found value in this quick review, please give me a like. It helps YouTube show these videos to more people. Then hit that subscribe button to help me to grow this channel so that I can help you. Tap the bell to see my next video when it drops, and comment. Tell me which one of these do you use and why? What do you like about the one that you have? Breaking news, I just built a brand new website, BertrandTechman.com. Won't you come over and check it out and tell me what you think about it? Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.
Be strong. Be strong.